Are you ready to stop just looking and start buying with confidence when you're shopping for clothes in English? We've all been there, spotting that perfect jacket but not knowing how to ask if it comes in a different color. This lesson equips you with practical dialogues and vocabulary to smoothly navigate any clothing or accessory purchase, making your next shopping adventure stress-free and successful. Let's start. Boost your shopping vocabulary and build your confidence to shop for your favorite items. Good afternoon. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'm looking for a shirt for casual wear.
Sure. Do you have any particular color in mind?
Yes, I'd like something in light blue or white.
We have both colors. What size do you wear?
Medium usually fits me well.
Here's a medium light blue shirt. Would you like to try it on?
Yes, please. The fitting room is over there, right?
Yes, right at the corner. Take your time.
It fits nicely, but the sleeves feel a bit long.
We can adjust the sleeves if you like. Our tailor can shorten them.
That's great. I also like the buttons, they look stylish.
Yes, those are wooden buttons. Very trendy this season.
The stitching looks neat and strong too.
We pay special attention to quality stitching. It lasts longer.
That's good to hear. Is this 100% cotton?
Yes, pure cotton soft and breathable. Perfect for daily wear.
Nice. How much does it cost?
It's on discount today, only $25.
Perfect. I'll take this one, please.
Excuse me. Could you tell me where I can find jeans?
Sure. The jeans section is on the second floor, near the escalator.
How great. Do you have different styles?
Yes, we have skinny, straight, and baggy jeans in various colors.
Nice. Do you also have high-waisted ones?
Absolutely. They're on the right side of the display.
What about sizes? Do they go up to large?
Yes, our sizes range from extra small to extra large.
That's good to know. Are there any discounts today?
Yes, we're offering 20% off on all denim items.
Wonderful. I'll go check them out.
Sure, let me know if you need any help choosing a pair. Good afternoon. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'm looking for a pair of shoes.
Sure. Are you looking for casual shoes? Or something more formal?
Casual, please. I want something I can wear every day.
Great. What size do you usually wear?
I wear size 8, but sometimes 8.5 fits better.
No problem. I'll bring both sizes for you to try. Do you have a color preference?
I like black, because it matches almost everything.
Excellent choice. We also have them in white and brown if you'd like to see.
Maybe later. I'll start with the black ones.
Here you go. These are made from genuine leather and have memory foam insoles.
Oh, they look nice. The material feels soft but strong.
Yes, they're known for their durability and comfort.
Let me try them on. Size 8 feels a little tight.
Try the 8.5. It might give you a bit more room.
Perfect. This size fits much better.
How do you find the sole? It's designed to absorb shock while walking.
That's nice. They feel really light and comfortable.
Would you like to take them? We also have a 1-year warranty on this model.
Yes, I'll take them. They're stylish, durable, and just the right fit.
If you have found the video useful, please press the like button.
Good afternoon. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'm looking for a nice pair of sunglasses.
Sure. Are you looking for something trendy or more classic?
I think something trendy, but not too flashy.
All right, these aviator-style glasses are quite popular right now.
They look nice. Do you have them in black?
Yes, we do. Here's the black one. It has polarized lenses.
What does polarized mean?
It means they reduce glare and protect your eyes better from sunlight.
Oh, that's great. How much are they?
They're 120 reals, but we have a 20% discount today.
That's a good deal. Can I try them on?
Of course, the mirror is right here.
Wow, they actually look really good on me.
They do. They suit your face shape perfectly.
Do you have the same style in brown as well?
Yes, here's the brown one. It has a softer look.
I like the black one better. I'll take it.
Great choice. Would you like a case for them too?
Yes, please. I want to keep them safe. Thank you.
Hi, I really like this red dress.
That's a beautiful choice. Would you like to know the price?
Yes, please. I didn't see a tag on it.
It's 120 reals, and there's a 20% discount today.
Oh, nice. So how much is it after the discount?
It comes to 96 reals.
That's a good deal. Do you have this in medium?
Yes, let me get one from the back for you.
Thank you. Can I try it on?
Of course, the fitting rooms are just over there.
Perfect. I'll be quick.
Take your time, let me know if you need anything else.
Hi. I'd like to return this shirt I bought 2 days ago.
Of course. Is there any issue with it?
Yes, it doesn't fit me well and the stitching seems a bit loose.
I'm sorry to hear that. Do you have the purchase receipt?
Yes, I kept it just in case.
Thank you. Did you pay by card or cash?
I used my debit card.
All right, I'll process the return to your card. Would you like to look for another shirt instead?
Not right now. Maybe next time.
No problem. The refund will reflect into the 3 business days.
Okay. Thanks for the smooth process.
Wow, I've never seen such vibrant colors before.
Welcome. These are all handmade by my family.
Really? That makes them even more special. How long does it take to make one?
Sometimes a few hours, sometimes a whole day.
I love this turquoise one.
That's a popular choice. It's made with local stones.
Do you have matching earrings?
Yes, right here in this tray.
They're perfect. Let's buy a set each.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am. How can I help you today?
I bought this blender last week. But unfortunately, it's not working.
I'm sorry to hear that, ma'am. What seems to be the problem?
The motor makes a strange noise and then stops completely.
That doesn't sound good. Did you try it with different power outlets?
Yes, I did. But it still doesn't work.
If you have found the video useful, please press the like button.
Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to my flower stall.
Good afternoon. These flowers look so fresh and beautiful.
Thank you. Are you buying for yourself or for someone special?
For someone very special, my wife.
Ah, lucky lady. What kind of flowers does she like?
She loves roses. But I think sunflowers will brighten her day too.
Great choice. Roses for love, sunflowers for happiness.
Perfect. That's exactly what I want to express.
Shall I prepare a bouquet with both?
Yes, please. Can you make it look elegant and romantic?
Of course. I'll add some tulips to make it more colorful.
That sounds wonderful. She will definitely smile when she sees them.
Flowers have a magic way of touching hearts.
True. Sometimes flowers speak louder than words.
Would you like to add a small card with a message?
Yes. Please write. To my beloved wife, you are my sunshine.
That's beautiful. She will cherish it.
Thank you. How much do I owe you?
Just $15 for this special bouquet.
Here you go. You've helped me bring happiness home today.
My pleasure. May your love bloom as beautifully as these flowers.
Good morning. Your fruit shop looks so colorful today.
Good morning. Yes, everything is fresh. What would you like?
Those strawberries look delicious. How much are they?
They're $4 for a box. Very sweet. Just arrived this morning.
Nice. I'll take 1 box. Do you have mangoes?
Yes, we do. They are perfectly ripe and juicy.
Perfect. How much for 1 kilo?
$5 per kilo.
A little expensive. But I love mangoes. Give me half a kilo.
Sure, anything else? Maybe some grapes?
Oh yes. The green grapes look very fresh.
They taste great too. Only $3 per kilo.
I'll take a kilo of grapes then.
Wonderful choice. That's strawberries, mangoes, and grapes.
Right. How much is everything together?
Altogether, it's $12.5.
Here's $15. Keep the change.
Oh, thank you. That's very kind.
You're welcome. Fresh fruit makes me happy.
And happy customers make me happy too.
Ha ha. Then we are both happy today. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Come again soon.
Thank you for learning with us. Consistent practice leads to real improvement. Continue engaging with English daily, and your confidence will grow naturally. See you next time.